bonus reading for January the 17th to January the 18th for Earth signs. So we have the Emperor, the World card, and the Page of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito medyo fiery, no? Itong energy, especially siguro, yung may mga cusp, no, or may mga placement ng fire signs. Medyo nag-i-ignite, no, yung init dito. The reason being is because the Emperor in here and the World card represents, I wanted to change. Even that means na hindi tayo mag-usap. Even that means na hindi tayo magkita. I need to do this dahil meron akong gustong ma-achieve. It's either respect, it's either, communication, it's either your focus on me, it's either yung bigyan mo, no, ng pansin itong relasyon natin. With the Page of Pentacles, parang sinabi dito na siguro sa Earth sign to mismo na nagsasabing um, kailangan makita mo yung mga pagbabago ko or kailangan makita ko din ang pagbabago mo. This is using the internet, no? Probably wanting to see some post na kailangan mo na ring i-post yung tayong dalawa, what have you. But this is your quick reading or bonus reading rather, Earth signs for January the 17th to 18th.
Predicting future is